In primetime news this evening, freed. Cops convicted in Vanessa Kirkland's death released after appeal court ruling.
Poverty in rural Jamaica, a TVJ News expose on the life of the poor.
And International Cannabis Day celebrations highlight local industry success and concerns. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, this evening we'll have some company news zooming in particularly on 138 student living and what they say is a rebound from the lows of COVID-19. I'll give the details a little later on.
All right, and for a preview of what's to come in Primetime Sports, Jordan Fort is here. Jordan?
Well, Herman, relegation or no relegation? That's the question. There seems to be some amount of confusion in the Jamaica Premier League as to whether or not teams will be relegated and promoted from Tier 2 this season. I'll try to clear that up for you in Primetime Sports Monday.
All right, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what's your reaction to news that the police officers implicated in the 2019 shooting death of 16-year-old Vanessa Kirkland have been acquitted by the Court of Appeal?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.